Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to generate the economic activities of our civilization. The first one, we are going to learn how to represent agriculture. For that we are going to use this round roof and we are going to set some measurements. The first one, this is going to be 200. This one is going to be 15, and in height it's going to be 5. Okay, this is going to be the base of our cropland. Now I'm going to change the color. Yes, and by pressing Command D and using my arrow keys, I'm going to move it a little bit. So now I have the main structure. Then I'm going to press Command D sometimes, and as you can see, I already formed my land. Then in my shapes pane I'm going to look for some scenery, and I'm going to choose this baby tree because that's going to be one of my crops. By pressing shift I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm going to place it right between the first two shapes. I'm going to change the perspective one more time. And now I'm going to press Command D. I'm going to use my arrow keys, and I'm going to move it a little bit. One more time by pressing Command D. I'm going to generate my crop. See? I'm going to repeat this step more times, but first I'm going to show you a nice trick in order to select only the trees. So I'm going to change my perspective a little bit. Now I'm going to click and drag over here, and as you can see, some of the trees are selected. Now you could do it one more time. Yes, and now all my trees are selected. Well, those are missing. Now I'm going to press shift and click in order to select them all. Now union group, to group them all, Command D to duplicate, and the arrow keys to place this group where they belong. Now Command D one more time, and I have my crops already finished. Now I'm going to select everything and union group. Sometimes you are going to see that your groups are getting red. That's because the program is still processing, but don't worry, you still can work with them. I'm going to place these crops over here, so now I have more space for the rest. Now that's for the agriculture. Now what about raising animals? For that I'm going to first create my farm. So here on my shapes pane I'm going to look for fence, and here you're gonna find several models. Since this is an ancient civilization, I'm going to choose this this one. Okay, it's not very even, but it's going to work perfectly. Okay, now I'm going to place it over here. I'm going to press Command D, and I'm going to move it a little bit, and Command D a couple of times. Perfect. That's going to be my front door. Oh, my front wall, excuse me. I'm going to select them all. Union group. And now by pressing by pressing Alt, I'm going to turn this a little bit, 90 degrees. This is going to be the other wall. Now I'm going to press Alt one more time. Here it is. And now this one I'm going to press, by the way, it looks nice. And now this one I'm going to press Alt one more time and take it to the back. Now my farm is ready. And I'm going to add some animals. Those animals, the animals that you are going to find here are not very useful. You are going to find some animals in our Farfly page. In Farfly you are going to resources, upper school, grade 6. Now select ICT. In ICT you are going to scroll down until you reach Learning Experience 4. Tinkercad, that is the program that we are using. And in the economy section you're going to find this link, economy. Here in economy, as I said, you are going to find several objects that you can use in your project. For example, I'm going to download this ship. So I'm going to select this one and then I'm going to press in download. This is going to be saved in your downloads folder. So now you go back to your design, select the import option, choose a file, going to go to downloads, and I'm going to look for the ship. That's it. Millimeters is okay, scale. And okay, this is the ship. Don't worry if it's not placed correctly. You can turn this around always. You can make it bigger by pressing shift. Oops. And that's it. Probably we can make it a little bit bigger. Yeah. Now I'm going to take it to my farm. Excellent. You will want to have probably more ships, and by pressing Alt, you can have more. Perfect. You can do the same with the rest of the animals that you are going to find here. That's about the farm. Now, in the case of fishing, yes, I strongly recommend you to download one more time the fish. I think I already have it here, but if not, I can download it. Excuse me, one more time. I'm going to download this fish. There you have it. In this case, we are going to generate a fish school. Easy. I'm going to change the color probably. Yes, and by pressing Alt, I'm going to make some copies. That's enough. I'm going to select them all and group. Don't worry, all of these elements are going to be added to our original project, but not now, because as you can see right now, my models are surrounded by a red line. That means that it's processing and it takes time, and as long as we add more and more elements, the work is going to get heavier, and that's not going to be good. So I strongly recommend you to work all the elements by separate. Yes. Now I'm going to place this over here, and that's it. Finally, I'm going to show you how to generate a kiosk so we can create a market for the trading activity. It's going to be very simple. I'm going to go back to basic shapes. I'm going to get a box. This one is going to be around 10, and I'm going to select a cylinder. I'm going to set the width in 1, the length in 1, and 20 is okay. And now I'm going to place this in the corner of the box. Now I'm going to duplicate this one more time, and these two one more time. Okay, this is the base of my kiosk. I'm going to select the box, and I'm going to, by pressing Alt, I'm going to take it up, because this is going to be the roof, and I'm going to decrease the height to 1, and here in height I'm going to decrease it a little bit, so now it looks, instead of a table, now it looks a little bit better. This is going to be the base of my market. So now I'm going to change the color, probably orange or green. Colors are up to you. I'm going to junior group this. Remember to keep the different colors. You need to choose the multicolor option, and now you can place it like this one. So you have some kiosks. Okay. So now, little by little, you can have your market. That's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.